Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can continue to get more awesome content just like this one. So this video is really just kind of a basic understanding of when somebody like me or an expert like me basically says these big key words, what do they mean for you, right? Because I can say a big word like metabolism and how it affects your fat loss results, and that sounds all fine and dandy, but in reality, you're like, what the heck is a metabolism and why does this matter to me, right? So I'm gonna go over just a few basic keywords so you understand as you go through and watch more videos, kind of the basic understanding so you know this, right? First off is metabolism, right? What is the metabolism? I think we all kind of have a general idea of what a metabolism is, or what it does, or its sole function, basically. But basically, the metabolism is a group of hormones that tells your body to either burn fat, store fat, rest and digest. It's hormone signals coming in and out that basically allows you to either gain weight or lose weight, right? And there is a difference between losing weight and losing fat. And those two key words are called fat loss and weight loss, right? Weight loss basically means you're just a smaller version of how you look now, right? You can see the scale going down and you become a smaller version, but it doesn't necessarily mean that your physique has actually changed. Fat loss focuses on true fat being lost, which means that the scale may not adjust as much as you want it to, but yet your body is physically changing. It physically looks different. Your physique is looking different. So a little bit about me. When I started my journey and where I am actually today, I weighed the exact same amount, but I look completely different. That's the difference between a weight loss and a fat loss, right? Now, if we have a lot of weight to lose, you're gonna have the weight loss with the fat loss, but that's kind of the idea behind those two terms. Another big term that people throw out there is macros. What exactly is a macro, right? We all know what calories are. We all understand why calories are important, but what is this macro term and what does it mean? So macros are basically the essential things you need inside your body to live, right? To maintain homeostasis. And those kind of come down to three real big key things that most people talk about, but there's actually five. It's gonna be your proteins, it's gonna be your carbs, it's gonna be your fat, it's gonna be your water, and then also sodium, right? We can have all of the above, and if we don't have sodium, then we can't do the exchange. Little bit too much science for this video. We'll go into that later. But basically, those are the five things your body needs to sustain life. And so whenever somebody's talking about macros, or somebody like me is talking about macros, know that I'm referring to mainly your protein, carbs, fats, water, and then also sodium, okay? As far as everything else goes, fasting is another big word, right? What is fasting? I'll do a whole nother video on that as well. But know that fasting is just a period of time when you are eating and a period of time when you are not eating. So intermittent fasting is the big key word right now, right? And it's just a basic time of you're eating from this window to this window and you're not eating from this window to this window. Should everybody fast? Yes, you naturally fast already when you are sleeping. Unless you get up in the middle of the night and you're eating in the middle of your sleep, you still fast every night. So we'll go into more of that later. But know that when we talk about fasting or intermittent fasting, it's kind of the same terms. It just means a period of time when you're eating and when you're not. Hormones is a big one that I personally talk about. That's what I specialize in. That's really what I get women and men to lose weight and keep it off for life, right? Anybody can follow a nutrition plan. Anybody can follow an exercise plan, but if we're not looking at how it's impacting your hormones, then we're not going to be able to keep that off for life. And or you may not even be able to get to your goal weight because you're impacting hormones. So hormones are basically any type of messenger inside your body that signals something else to happen, right? So it's kind of when we talked about metabolism in the beginning of this video, it's those hormone signals coming into the metabolism that really makes or breaks your results, okay? So when we talk about hormones, it can be specific hormones, it could be hormones that are storing fat, it could be hormones that are burning fat, but know that it's basically just chemical messengers inside your body. And a little quick note about hormones is for every hormone reaction, there's gonna be a hormone counter reaction, okay? So they kind of do this lock and key thing like this, and they work very well when they do that. So when I talk hormones, know that that is really what I'm talking about. It's how do we balance those to make the metabolism work better and for you. That's what I have for you in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have other questions about anything I covered today and or want me to cover another specific topic, there we go ahead and comment below and I will get back to you.